Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. In some latest developments, retired Zimbabwe National Army Colonel Patron Kuchekaya, a Zipa Liberation War veteran known by his Chimrenga name Dallas Ndlela, has died at 75. The Zimbabwe National Army has confirmed his death. Born in Mahlatini village, Cholocho, on 25 November 1951, Kuchekaya attended Mzilikazi Secondary School before leaving the country in 1976 to join ZIPRA. He crossed into Zambia via Botswana and was initially stationed at Nampundwe and a new camp before moving to Mwembesi. He trained in Tanzania under ZIPRA, then specialized in weapons in the USSR. In 1977, he returned to Zambia and operated along the Zambezi escarpment in key war zones including Kariba, Chirundu, and Kanyemba. At the celebrated independence in 1980, he was absorbed into the newly formed Zimbabwe National Army as a private soldier before rising through the ranks to officer after completing training at Inkomo Barracks. The Zimbabwe National Army has described him as a committed soldier who served with distinction throughout his military career. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.